Hello everyone, welcome back. What if I told you you can turn a text prompt into a full video in minutes for free and without watermark? Meet Qwen AI's video generator, a next-level tool that's shaking up content creation. In today's video, we'll dive deep into how it works and how you, yes, you, can use it to create stunning visuals for your channel. Before we start this video, let me show you some demo clips of how this amazing free tool can generate impressive videos. So let's get started.
Okay, so search for Qwen AI, then open this first website and click on Try Qwen Chat. Now you have to sign up with your Google account. After login, this clean and simple interface will appear on your screen. Now click on the More tab. Here you'll see several options like Image Generator, Code Assistant, Analyze Image, News Generator, and many more. In this video, we'll focus on the Video Generator option, so go ahead and click on that. After clicking, you'll see a few example prompts, or you can type your own prompt to generate a video from text. Okay, so let's try this prompt. And here is the result. The generation might take a little time, but not too long. And here is the result. The video looks quite good. Now let's try this prompt, and from here, you can select the aspect ratio, depending on whether you want to create a YouTube short style video or a full-length horizontal video. Okay, so here is the result. The video looks a little bit blurry, but overall, for a free tool, it's amazing. There's no need to mess with complicated settings. Just enter your prompt and boom, your video is ready. Let's try this prompt. And here's the result. This video also looks good.
I tried this prompt and here is the result. The video looks really good. This is another result. The video looks good. This tool also lets you generate free and unlimited images, which means you get text-to-video, text-to-image, and AI chatbot capabilities all in one place and all for free. Let's try this prompt for image generation. And here is the result. The image looks realistic, and the quality is really amazing. Let's try the last prompt. Okay, the image looks perfect.
If you found this tutorial helpful, do not forget to like the video, subscribe the channel, and hit the bell icon so you never miss out future tutorials.